Right, super quick walkthrough here, this Princess 55 from 2020, because the owners are wanting to go out in it, and it's July 2022 and it's a burning hot day here in the south of France, and they've got better things to do than wait for me, unfortunately. So here is the salon seating. You've also got salon seating over on this side, that's the starboard side. And I think there's a big feature of this yacht. Have a look at the size of those windows. They're enormous. So if we go up here, there's the lower helm station. It's got 3 helm stations, but there's another one in the cockpit aft, which is used considerably. It also has controls for the bow and stern thruster and the single lever joystick control. Significant size of this window. So this has got window curtains on to help keep it cool inside. They don't drive it, of course, from inside down here very much. And then we drop down into the accommodation. Now the photos do it, I hope, quite a lot of justice. I just wanted to show you this, which is in the guest cabin. So we'll turn the light on. This is the this is how you make the bed into a double. Is you push the little button up here by the light switch, and there you can see it moves across. And you now have a double. And you have room to walk down the side here in order to change. So that's just something I wanted to show you. I'll just show you quickly the other areas. So here's the VIP. Oops, I've been storing stuff in here, forgive me for that. There's the Jack and Jill doors here into that WC shower. And then we drop aft. Just hesitate here on the stairs, because in here is a washer dryer. There's access to the owner's WC shower, and this has got a sliding door, so that saves space. Close that. And then in here, sorry about this informality, this tour, but there we are, not much time. So there we've got seating there on what is the port side. Round big island double bed or king size bed. Storage everywhere. Big hanging locker there, or hanging cupboard. And there you've got a giant TV on the wall. And access back into the main accommodation, lower deck accommodation. So you can see this is a 3 cabin boat. So you've got the big double, the owners, the VIP forward, and then you've got 2 singles or a double here. And we'll just go back out. So galley on that side, which is your port side. Air conditioning spinning away, it's about 40 degrees here. And then here, you've got very good storage for glasses. A little ice maker there. Sound system above. Free entertainment system. High-low TV comes out of there. And then here you've got a fridge. So aircon outlet, which you can hear whirring away there. There you go, the boat's like new. Nice galley. On this side, little dishwasher, little Bosch dishwasher, conventional oven, 4-plaque hob, which will run off a generator or shore power. And then you've got a big refrigerator, and then the freezer compartment down below. And the rest of this is storage. I think Princess do that very well. And then just while we're here, I'll just show you this door. Sorry about all the mess outside. But if you open this door, slide it open, you can see that the whole door concertina's back to this level here. So that makes it practically invisible. And then also like a lot of the Ferrettis, this then opens up there, so you have this area totally open, which makes a huge difference.